Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope that you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some DIY anti-stress balls. These are so much fun to play with. I think I did a video like this a year ago and you guys absolutely loved it. So we're going to be making some different stress balls today. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that'd be amazing. I also want to say a huge thank you to my notification squad for leaving comments. If you want to be featured in my next video, all you have to do is leave a comment with the hashtag notification squad and I might feature you in my next video. With that all being said, now let's get started with today's video.
Alrighty, so to make all three of the anti-stress balls, you will need balloons. I'm using a pink colored one, and what I'm going to do is cut the balloon like so using my pair of scissors. Next, you want to fill your balloon using pillow stuffing. You can use pillow stuffing out of an old pillow, or you can buy new pillow stuffing from Michael's or Amazon. And yeah, all I'm going to do is stuff up the balloon using it. So you can see here how much I filled up the balloon, and now I'm going to just close it off using some regular Scotch tape. This step is completely optional, but you can go ahead and decorate your stress ball however you like. I am using a Sharpie. I definitely recommend that you use a permanent marker for this step. You can use like Posca pens, but I wouldn't use too much of it because acrylic paint does peel off. So use permanent markers for this step. I'm just making like a laughing face. And here is the first anti-stress ball all completed. This one really feels like a squishy. It's very soft and you can kind of mold it into any shape that you like. Now moving on to the next anti-stress ball. Again, you will need a balloon, and this time you're going to need a funnel. I didn't have an actual funnel, which is why I cut up a water bottle and I'm going to use that instead. I'm going to fill this balloon using sand, which I got from the dollar store. This is super cheap and easy to find. So yeah, all I'm going to do is just add the sand, and you want to kind of like take a brush or a pen or whatever you have to kind of like push the sand inside. I'm going to tie up the balloon and then go ahead and start decorating it. So again, I'm using a Sharpie, and this one I'm going to actually make like a whale. So I'm going to add the eyes and the mouth, and then I'm going to make a little horn using some air dry clay, and I'm going to glue it in place. And here is the anti-stress ball all done. This one isn't as soft as the previous one. This one really retains its shape, so it's a lot of fun to play with. And now for the final anti-stress ball, I'm using a yellow colored balloon, which I'm going to cut like so. We're going to fill this balloon using some air dry clay. It doesn't matter what color of air dry clay you use, honestly, because you can't really even tell what color's inside. So yeah, all I'm gonna do is fill up the balloon and tie it up. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but I actually made Togepi's face from Pokemon on this balloon because the yellow color matched perfectly. So yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but I tried to like make Togepi here. And here is the final anti-stress ball all done. And that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And I hope that you all are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.